Morning, friends.
Morning. Happy Thursday.
And welcome to the Upper 5 Digital Studio. I'm Brendan. Ethan's in for Heather. She takes a couple days off. And we're glad you're here, wherever you're watching from on this Thursday.
Yes, it seems like the last several times I've filled in for Heather, we've had heavy snow or ice or things like that. Really not today much.
It seemed to be the theme of the winter.
Yeah.
25 into 26. We know we have friends in Florida watching, and yeah, I don't know if you've heard, we've had some snow and some cold up north.
Yes, we certainly have, but not like Providence, Rhode Island, where they had 39.7 inches of snow earlier this week in a 2-day span.
2-day span. Wow. It's kind of hard to fathom. I mean, in northern Michigan, sure, we can get a foot maybe, in a lake effect snow event, or more. But that's a lot.
Yeah, I was going to use that question for today for a weather quiz, but then
Joe already thought of it. Yeah.
Joe didn't take the quiz, but he added it in the notes on the bottom.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah.
So, oh well.
So we want to know where you're watching from. You can let us know what you're up to today, and we'll get to the forecast, and everything's the same. Just the person's a little different.
Yeah.
Not Heather today, but Ethan will keep you informed on what you need to know.
No, and we're obviously in a new studio now, so a little bit of a different setup. So my first time doing it this way, so bear with me, please.
Sure is beautiful around here, isn't it?
Yes,
we like it.
Great.
Yep. So what are you asking for the weather quiz, Ethan?
Yeah, so for our weather quiz today, I am asking, as of yesterday, February 25th, how much snow fell so far at the Cherry Capital Airport in Traverse City? And the answer choices are either 103.9 inches, 101.11, or 111.1, excuse me, or 124.7 inches. It's been quite the snowy season so far. So how much snow are we seeing? A, B, or C also works as well. Satellite and radar shows that we're continuing to see those clearing skies across most of the lower peninsula, but in the upper peninsula, a good deal of cloud cover. Have had some snow showers hanging on near Whitefish Point and in parts of Luce and Chippewa counties. Already starting to see more snow on the other side of the lake, though, in Wisconsin and the upper peninsula. We'll start to see that move in as we head in the next few hours, and you'll see that on Stormcast here, increasing clouds through the morning, and by noon or so, starting to see a little snow. I do think this may be a little on the early side. I think it'll be closer to the early to mid-afternoon hours of today, and then we'll see the main batch of snow moving through as we head into this evening, and so that could be affecting your evening commute, so be aware of that. Areas from generally about M55, like Cadillac and Houghton Lake southward, are going to see very little, if anything, from this system. Areas generally between M55 and M72, generally very light amounts, and then north of M72 and closer to M32, the bridge, and in the upper peninsula, that's where we'll see the highest impacts from this system, but it's not super impactful. That is out of here by midnight or so tonight, and then we'll see a good deal of clearing again for some into Friday morning, maybe not quite as much as we're seeing right now, though, and then a few areas where we could see a little bit of snow in the morning and then a little bit of rain possible into the afternoon on Friday, but overall staying fairly quiet on our Friday as we roll out the last workday of February and also meteorological winter. And then we'll see a chance of some snow showers moving in as we head into Friday night and Saturday morning. That will be in the form of lake effect past that rain. That's a cold front that we see Friday afternoon and evening, and that's going to give us that chance of lake effect snow and much colder conditions again as we head into the weekend. But the good news is it's brief. And as we look at that snowfall forecast, generally, as I mentioned, from M55 southward, hardly anything at all, closer to between M55 and M72, perhaps an inch or less. And then M32 northward, that's where we'll see the highest impacts. So areas like Petoskey, Sheboygan, Pellston, 2-3 inches possible. Same for Mackinac Island, Drummond Island, Sault Ste. Marie, and even Newberry and Whitefish Point. And then we'll add a little more as we head into our Saturday, where we see some more lake effect snow for the weekend. And that sunshine forecast, we'll see overcast skies today, other than a little bit of sun this morning, mostly cloudy for Friday and Saturday. And then as we head into Sunday and Monday, mostly sunny across the area. or at least partly sunny. So we'll definitely welcome that as we welcome the month of March. And then Tuesday we will see more clouds, but looks like the best day in the forecast right now looks to be next Wednesday with a good deal of sunshine and highs in the 30s and 40s. Scattered lake effect snow in the UP today, 16 to 22, for Saturday I should say, 16 to 22 and chilly. And then for our Sunday, mostly sunny but cold, highs only between 9 and 20. So cold end to the weekend. The other good news is, unless you're like me and you're filling in for the morning shift, or you're like Brennan and Heather who are on this regularly, we'll be seeing those sunsets later. So that'll be nice for most. 6:26 for this evening, 6:36 1 week from today. Don't forget, on March 8th, we move those clocks forward 1 hour, and that's the 7th at night or the 8th in the early morning hours. And so by the 12th, we'll see sunset quarter to 8 o'clock and almost at 8 o'clock at 7:54 by March 19. And up to the north today, we'll see highs in the 20s, some light snow this afternoon or evening, and then into our eastern zone, right around 30 or a couple degrees on either side as we see that light snow in the afternoon and evening. As we head to the west, we'll see the impacts a little sooner, closer to the early to mid-afternoon hours in our western areas, low 30s here, and then to our south, we'll see those temperatures in the low to mid 30s for highs. This is where we'll have the least coverage of that snow over the day today and tonight. And then that snow gradually ends. It'll be out of here for most by 9 or 10 o'clock this evening. It'll be out of here for everybody by midnight as we see mostly cloudy skies and teens and 20s for overnight lows. And then in our eastern zone, 20s for overnight lows as that snow ends, mostly cloudy. And then to our west, we'll see hot lows in the 20s, also for overnight lows, perhaps a couple of spots right around 30. And then to our south, this is where, again, we'll see the least impacts from that snow, mostly cloudy. Your extended forecast shows we'll see mixed showers for Friday in the UP, 30s and 40s for highs, but that warm-up is short-lived as we see a return to winter-like conditions Saturday in the teens and 20s and some scattered lake effect snow. And look at those lows Sunday and Monday morning in the single digits above and below zero. Some could even see lows in the teens below zero, so we'll have to watch out for that as we head into Sunday and Monday morning with a nice warm-up later next week. Again, as I mentioned, Wednesday looking like the nicest day with 30s and 40s and sunshine. Can't complain about that for March.
We like the sunshine. A little closer, Ethan. Get in here. There we go. We have friends to say hi to. We'll start with Chris, watching from East Lansing.
Good morning.
Joel, reporting 2 degrees. That's it.
Ooh.
Sunny there at the Pleasant Patriots Pub. And I think you said, oh yeah, foosball night.
Foosball night.
Yep.
Ooh, fun.
Yep. Paul's watching from his tractor, saying good morning.
Okay.
But we don't need to speak up. Apparently it's not too loud, so he can still, we don't need to shout or anything.
Okay.
I thought we had to earlier, but he told us we don't have to. Okay. Our friend Susan reporting 4.5 degrees in the 100-acre woods.
Brr.
And do you want to read that?
In the 100-acre woods for Ethan, this is the name of my ambient weather station, WS2000, approximately 8 feet off the ground. Thanks for the information, Susan.
Our buddy Mark watching from Daytona Beach Shores down in Florida.
Oh, yeah. Just
do you want to guess the temperature today?
I already saw it.
75.
Yeah.
It's like right in the perfect territory.
Yes.
At least in my opinion. Chris is saying hi to Gibbs saying hi. Our friend Paula saying happy Friday Eve from Boyne Falls. Sunny, 3 degrees.
Ooh, brr. Stay safe, Paula.
10 degrees for Miss Gail. Okay. Sunny conditions though, so that's nice, I suppose, in Kingsley.
Okay.
Chris is guessing A.
Okay.
Gail going with middle option.
Okay.
I've never actually touched this, is it? Oh, it's kind of a texture to it. Kathy saying, hi guys, it is sunny. It's 8 degrees in Lewiston. Have a beautiful day.
Brr.
Susan's guessing B. Paula is going big.
Going big.
Yep.
Okay.
Joel's going with the middle option. Susan's going big too. And Mary watching from Vegas. See that high there?
Oh, you lucky dog. 83 degrees.
In a couple months though, maybe triple digits perhaps.
Yeah, that I definitely am thankful we don't have much.
Yes.
Oh, too hot.
Susie Q, she's chiming in from Florida, saying she arrived there. It's 54 in Inglewood, and they got there last night. So thankful to be here where it's sunny, it's warm. Have a great day, everyone.
Okay.
They're going to be unpacking, and she wants to swim and enjoy this beautiful, warm day.
Oh.
Now, when I saw her last month, I think it was, she was saying that she wasn't ready to go to Florida yet. I'm sure now that she's there, though, thinking about going swimming, it's just the place she wants to be.
Yes.
Scott saying good morning with a little cup of coffee there. We like that.
Okay.
And you want to say hi to Christine?
Christine says, good morning from sunny Akiak. It is 4 degrees, feels like -3. What time does the snow come into Indian River this afternoon? I missed your weather. Have a great day to you all. Okay, so let me go back to the Weather Center and try to get that graphic up for you. And Akiak is in Presqu'île County, right?
That sounds right. Could be like right on the border of Sheboygan and Presqu'île County.
Okay. Let's look here. I do think this might be a little early. It's showing about 1:30, 2 o'clock, somewhere in there. Could be as early as that, but I'm thinking probably about 3:30, somewhere in there. Christine, is my guess is when that will come into the Akiak area. So keep an eye on the forecast there, but I'm guessing mid-afternoon is what most likely we'll see. So thanks for the question.
All right. We're also hearing from, did Susie Q already give us? Oh, it's going to be 77 in Inglewood, Florida. Robert saying good morning, Brendan and Ethan. 12 and sunny in Indian River. Have a great day all. Our friend Weather Watcher Alice in Alpena reporting 11 degrees. The sun's out. See all the sunshine emojis?
Yes, it's nice. She was reporting clouds earlier, so I knew that sunshine would come for you, Alice. I was thinking about that all morning.
And she's saying, hi guys, doing a great job.
Thank
you, Alice. Rocco is saying good morning from Shelby Township. It's 16 and sunny. My mom's watching. Hey, Mom.
Hi.
Saying good morning, Facebook friends. Benji already had his walk.
Okay.
Not too bad out in Port Huron. Brendan and Ethan, great job as always. Have a good day. Thanks,
You
Mom.
too.
Love you. Got Susie Q guessing B. Rocco saying hi to Ethan.
Okay. Hi, Rocco.
And Chris saying good morning from Alden. Sunny but cold.
Okay.
One of our newer friends, Bridget, has been watching
Bridget,
lately.
okay.
Watching in Indian River.
Okay.
And Dave. Oh, yeah, you like that one.
Happy Thursday from Estero. Is that how you pronounce that? And then where it's 64 degrees, a beautiful day, should be almost 80. Oh, jeez. And then 0 inches of snow. I guess
Thanks,
TC
Dave.
had about 111.1. Keep warm, Michigan. Yeah. But we do have a warm up in the forecast. So really Sunday is the day that's going to be pretty cold. But hey, well, the sunshine.
Yeah.
I'm not going to complain about that.
Puts a smile on her face.
Yes.
Susan saying morning again. It's sunny and 9 degrees in Kalkaska.
Okay.
And Chris saying have a great day. See you guys on Monday.
Oh, tighten out, Chris? Okay.
Apparently he's not going to be with us tomorrow.
Okay.
Wasn't he traveling or something, Gib? Did he tell? Yeah, something like that.
Oh, okay.
And
I
then,
missed these this week, so.
And then you were right. Akiak is in Presqu'île County.
Okay.
Christine is saying thank you, Ethan.
Okay.
And then Joel's saying hi to Lori. And Lori's saying hi to Joel. Looks like we're all caught up, Mr. Ethan.
Alrighty, so as of February 25th, yesterday, how much snow fell so far at the Cherry Capital Airport in Traverse City?
The middle option.
Yup. That's no joke. 4 ones. How rare is that? Don't get to see that very often. So that's why I picked Traverse City today. I thought it was a cool number.
Yeah.
So why not?
Snow joke.
Yeah, so no snow joke. So Brendan and Facebook viewers got that one right today, which means everyone is tied 3 for 4 this week, right at 75%. Good job, everyone. And our Facebook viewer today was Kathy.
I wonder how hard tomorrow's question is going to be. Some dynamics question or something.
Oh, no.
Thank goodness.
No,
Yeah,
I'll
I
try to
didn't
think
take
of
that
something
one.
easier. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the best at coming up with weather quiz questions. So
Is this a new Brian, perhaps? We've had a lot of Brians join us lately, saying good morning from Lachine.
Lachine, okay.
And Alice is saying you enjoyed a Susie Q. Hot dog ride this weekend to Lori.
Okay.
I don't know what that means.
I don't know.
Are they going to buy hot dogs? Is it a name of the snowmobile ride? I don't know.
Okay.
And it's leaping
Weekend.
leaping weekend.
I need a change of location.
Does that mean like a birthday weekend, Susan? Leaping ahead to the next year?
Oh, because leap day is February 29th, and we don't have one this weekend.
That.
It's on the weekend this time, 28th to the 1st. So some people try to celebrate on the 28th, some celebrate it on the 1st. So 2 more years until we have a February 29th again.
Does that mean your birthday is February 29th, Susan?
I'm guessing so.
Maybe. Oh, Chris is going to Evanston, Illinois. That's right, for the weekend to visit his brother and his families.
Okay.
Safe travels, Chris. And, Paula's wondering, is that how much fell in Boyne Falls?
Oh, actually, I can go check for you if you'd like, Paula. Let me go check that real fast.
You know right where it is?
I believe so.
Okay. He's on his way.
All right.
He's at the Weather Center clicking around.
All right, give me 1 second here while I look into this. I don't think it gives a total amount for Boyne Falls, but Petoskey is at 123.7, so only an inch off from that. So that sounds about right, I think, Paula. So, yeah, so that's about accurate, I think.
Oh, we have an update from Joel.
Okay.
Old fireplace in the woods. We ride up there for hot dogs. Okay, that's the hot dog ride.
Oh, okay.
And then Susie Q, thinking about snow issues in Florida. Look at how much in Gaylord.
Oh, wow. Over 130 inches. Actually, that thing also shows Gaylord, too, so sounds about right.
Okay, update from Susan, too. Yes, if you're born on February 29th, you're called a leapling. Not me, it's her grandson.
Her grandson, okay.
So happy birthday coming up to the grandson.
Yeah, I have a few friends that have birthday of February 29 because most of the people in my graduating class were either 1999 or 2000, so 2000 was a leap year, so.
Do you hear those years he just threw out there? Born in 1999 or 2000?
Yeah.
Susie Q is saying, thank you, Alice. We'll enjoy every minute. Yeah. We'll just look into some flights and just, make a quick little visit, Susie Q.
Yeah.
We know you'd be a great host. We're just inviting ourselves now, I think, to different places.
Yeah, take me with you.
We're stuck here. We love being here.
Yeah,
especially
we
in this
do.
beautiful new space.
But I do have vacation coming up in late March, so.
Okay, good.
Going to Colorado to see my uncle.
Oh, fun. That'll be good.
Do that for, I think, Monday through Thursday of that last full week of March.
Okay. You got a message from Paula.
Paula says, thanks, Ethan. Thank you, Paula. And we appreciate you watching. And sorry for the confusion last week.
All right. Yep. So we're going to be talking about tomorrow on Friday. Ooh, the Friday edition. How does that sound? 4:30 to 7 is when we are going to be live.
Yes.
Streaming live on upnorthlive.com. Ethan's going to be back.
Yeah, one more day. And then Heather will be back on Monday.
All right. And give any words of wisdom. Nope.
No?
Okay.
Really?
All right, maybe tomorrow we'll get something from Director Gibb.
Yeah, he's very quiet back there right now.
All right. Then
You okay back there?
He's not normally too chatty. And then, Jason, we see your messages. Thanks for watching. And thank you for joining us. We'll see you back here tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.